Um, Today we're going to fold this template, another kind of M.C.Escher style. This one is a little bit the simpler compared to the previous one we did. So I hope you find the template from the link I provided. So I printed that on my cardstock paper. So I will start cutting and folding. So as we did, all horizontal hairlines, black solid line is for cut, and all vertical lines, dotted line and long dashed line is for folding. So we're going to score. So I will do that. Okay, so I'm done with all cuttings and scoring for folding. So it's ready to fold. It's much easier. So this kind of a basic center lines, the big ones, fold it like a V shape. And for this too, I will fold it from the outside. Like this. Okay, not too hard. And then this one, let me show you kind of easier way. Place your left thumb index finger under your very last steps. I would say last or the first, but this one, and then place it on your table and do this way. Like this. Okay. So push and pull at the same time. So we get some structure, the shape like this. Like this way. Okay. And then now we're getting there. We're almost there. Push and fold it a little harder. And harder. And then so this one is relatively simpler to other ones we did before. Okay, so like this. Isn't it nice? It's a kind of a stairs on the box. You can take a look at it from the outside. It's interesting too. So we have stairs inside or outside. Okay, so thanks for watching.